I'm promoting Philippines, Cebu to the Koreans. I'm wearing Philippine flag. Yay! Hello to the camera. Gorgeous lady. It's the food here is very delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, what nationality you from?
No, I'm just a Filipino.
Oh, Filipino! You look very gorgeous, like from Mexico or from Venezuela or from like Colombia. The Miss Universe beauty. Yeah, she's very beautiful. She's Bisaya like me, but she look foreigner. I thought she's from somewhere out there. Galbi King! They're having lots of fun eating here. I rock their dinner. I disturb them. Korean girl. I disturb them. I talk a lot. Loud, big mouth. Anyong sayo. I rock their dinner. They're like, oh, what the hell is this? Spanish at Miss Tisa, Tisay girl talking like very hard English. Bye, subscribe. Bye, subscribe, like, bye, subscribe, like, okay? Korea, Korea, Korea. Like, anyong sayo, like. Like me, watch my video, yeah. I don't eat. Oh my gosh. I do it. I don't eat. I only vlog. It's expensive here. For the Korean, it's very cheap. Chicken barbecue. Barbecue, galbay. So much galbay in here. This galbay, cheese and galbay. Meat salad. Ooh, very delicious. Ooh, like that. Yeah. Very delicious. Look, Korean, South Korea, North Korea here. Your food is in Cebu. You say hi to the camera. You will be in television. YouTube. Annyeong sayo. Annyeong sayo. They have 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. a happy hour. Pork. Unlimited. You eat all you can. It's only 299 pesos. And the dinner is 399 pesos. Yay! Korean people come here in Cebu, Philippines. Yay! It's all meaty, delicious, all the goodness, beef, chan, do, balgi. I can't pronounce. I'm not Korean. Beef bulgogi. Beef bulgogi. Spicy beef bulgogi. So much bulgogi in this place. What is bulgogi? Tapuki. What? Tapuki. Korean. Kimchi. Tangsoyok kimchi. Tapioki. Bulgogi. Korean people, yay! Eat bulgogi. Annyeonghaseyo. Eat bulgogi. Kimchi. Delicious. Ooh, a lot of food in here. Right. It's a Korean place in Cebu. It's Galbi. Galbay or Galbi? Galbi or Galbay? Galbay King. Galbay King. Can you see? Galbay King. Watch my YouTube channel. Support, subscribe. Look, also today. It's a birthday celebration over here. Korean restaurant. Sa kingalan, ano ni ka?
Galbi King, ma.
Galbi King, yeah. Galbi King. It's the king. And I'm the queen of the mouth. My English is very hard, guys. Sorry, guys. My English is hardest as this one. Because I'm Bisaya. It's Galbi King. Galbi King, annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Korea, South Korea, North Korea. It's very beautiful here. Yeah, this is very nice in Cebu. Somewhere in Cebu, I can be your tour guide. Wow! Somebody eating here already? No people. Maybe I will eat. Ooh, look at the food. It's very delicious, right? Why nobody eating? Yay! Hi, sorry. I'm vlogging. Say hi. Even I don't see. Churi, 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 churi. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo. Do I look like very cool K-pop? K-pop lady. Rock the Korean restaurant. Yay. K-pop, K-pop. Let's check it out. What they have inside. I don't eat. I don't eat. Hey, look. Wow, what's this? I don't know what's that. Haven't eaten here before. I think for grill. For grill, right? For grill. Grill, grill. Cooking here, cooking Korean, come here in Cebu. I'm your tourist guide. Annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. I'm your tourist guide. Okay, okay, go, go, go. Annyeonghaseyo, 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 Korean, South Korea, North Korea. Here we have here a Korean place in Philippines, Cebu. Yay! Look at that. You know this? Ay, it's a Korean place here in Cebu. Come here in Cebu, Korean people. From the Seoul, from the North Korea, South Korea, they have all the Korean food here in Cebu. Let's check it out, what they have. Look at that. It's unlimited Korean BQ grill. Wow, this is very delicious, guys. Look at the meat. The meat is very meat-delicious. Meat-delicious. Meat, 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 meat.